just arrived about a week or so ago. Didn't have a chance to do an update yet. This is for my 1988 Mitsubishi Starion. Plan on replacing the entire cluster, and I said, what better way to do it than with the Haltech IC7 Dash. This is a quick unboxing to see what we have. Okay, this product range, you know, guys, we don't like to read instructions. This is pretty cool. Now a photo of the Haltech World Cup Finals. Mr. Jason Miller himself. Pretty cool. Oh, look, Mikey's Starion, also featured in Haltech Heroes. We've got Mad Mike, full color. Well, you know the deal. And here's the booklet, quick start guide. Pretty cool. You can see all the instructions. I'm planning on replacing my entire cluster with the Haltech IC7 Dash for my 1988 Mitsubishi Starion. I think it's a good idea. Oh, look, a template. So whoever's into, you know, customization, this is gonna really come in handy for you. Let's get to the goodies. And here it is, IC7 Dash. By just the look of it, I can tell you I love the way this thing feels. This is metal, not plastic. You know, seems like something that if you drop it, it's not gonna break, but we're not going to do that to find out. Really nice quality, Haltech. If anybody, if you don't know a lot about Haltech, but they've been around since 1986, and they've, you know, been making the first standalone for cars since then, since 1986. This is awesome. It's a really cool dash, well built. Sorry I can't turn it on for you, not yet, but when it's in the car, you'll definitely see it. We're bringing the Starion to the 21st century, and I think there's a very good way of doing that. Awesome, pretty awesome, well built. Take a look at it for yourself. So if you're in the market for a dash, I would highly recommend this. Even this back part is metal. Wow, really good quality. You know, it's one thing Haltech has been known for is their quality, and this does not disappoint. Okay, let's put this back. Ooh. Let's put it back and see if we can fit this back here. There we go. You know, keep fingerprints off of them. So there's two boxes here also. Let's see what else we get. Okay. This is the cable that goes into the back of the dash. It has a high-speed input here. One piece. What else we have here? What else goodies come with this dash? It's packed really well. Oh, we have our CAN cable. Oh man, really like this. Real good quality. Haltech is never disappointed. I mean, ever. You know, one of the reasons I chose Haltech is because they've been around a very long time. Like I said, since 1986. They're like the first company to make a standalone for cars in the aftermarket world. And let's see what else we have here. Well, I did unbox this, but I didn't unbox it with you guys. So I took the keychain. It's a really cool Haltech keychain. Yep, high-speed cable right here. And this is pretty cool. Alright, as you can see, it says Haltech on here. Even the wires. This is pretty cool. Nice yellow. A little different from what everybody else does. Well, only the automotive guys are gonna know what they're looking at here. To do custom pinouts if needed, necessary. I'm glad I'm not doing the wiring, because I really don't like wiring. This is the plug that it came with, CAN cable, and it allows you room for a lot of customization, which is pretty cool. Really, really cool. Let me focus on this for you guys a little. Yeah. This is really cool. So, the customization can be done here. Can, this is the extension for the can. Really good high quality stuff. Oh, they also send USB 4 gigs. Little Haltech logo on there. You know, after downloading the software, you can actually use this as a carry and go USB flash drive. Pretty cool. Nice rubber case. Like it can be sealed. It's real high quality stuff. Like I said, getting stuff from Haltech is never disappointing. Never disappointing. This is an awesome dash. I'd recommend this for anybody. The quality of it, the build, the way it feels, and I felt a couple of dashes, and definitely don't feel like this. Just for you guys to know, it does not feel like this. It's metal. Well, I want to thank you guys for tuning in, and the next time you see this dash, it'll be installed on my 1988 Starion with the original 4G54. You know, we're going all out, and we only wanted the best. See you later, guys.